We have next example. We have to find all possible values of x for which this inequality is true. So let me copy this example first. I have negative 4 is less than 3x minus 1 is less than 7. We have doubles sign of inequality. We have 3x minus 1. So first I will add 1 to each member. So I have negative 4 plus 1 is less than 3x minus 1 plus 1 is less than 7 plus 1. So we will have negative 4 plus 1 will be negative 3 is less than 3x, because negative 1 plus 1 will reduce. So I have less than 7 plus 1 is 8. Now, because I need to find x and I have multiplication here, I have to divide each member by 3. So 3 and 3 will cancel. Negative 3 divided by 3 will be negative 1 is less than x, and x is less than 8 over 3 is improper fraction. I can change to mixed number, will be 2 and 2/3. So I can draw number line x. I have 0, negative 1, positive 1, 2, 3. I have 2 and 2/3, so will be just here 2 and 2/3. Because I have sign less than, it means this number is not included and negative 1 is not included, and x must be greater than negative 1. So from negative 1 we are going to the right side, and x must be less than 2 and 2/3. So we are going from this to the left side. This part from negative 1 to 2 and 2/3, this is our solution. So we have interval from negative 1 to 2 and 2/3. Now we can check if the solution is correct. I have to choose one number from this interval. For example, x is equals 0. Let me copy this inequality. I have negative 4 is less than 3x minus 1 is less than 7. Now I will replace x by 0. So I have negative 4 is less than 3 times 0 minus 1 is less than 7. So I have negative 4, 3 times 0 is 0, minus 1 will be minus 1 is less than 7. So we will see that this inequalities is true. Negative 4 is less than negative 1 and negative 1 is less than 7. So our solution is correct.